We are now entering what traffic safety experts call the 100 Deadly Days of Summer. So it's the perfect time to go over tips to stay safe as you travel this season. We're joined right now by attorney Trey Harrell to go over what you need to know before you hit the roads. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Great to have you here. Lots to get to today. First of all, 100 Deadly Days of Summer. What does this mean? Why is this specific part of time so dangerous here in South Carolina?
Well, 100 Deadly Days of Summer is that time stretch between Memorial Day and Labor Day. And we have a massive increase because of the traffic of accidents. And also it's the summer. We got tourists, we got a lot of things, and people are kind of relaxed, and so they're not wearing their seatbelts as much. And so we're having a much more increase of the incidents. Actually, last summer, 1 in every 2 traffic fatalities, someone wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
Really?
So we're having a real issue in the summertime, people not wearing seatbelts.
Okay, so that's a great reminder.
That's the reminder.
We need to do that. No matter what age you are, please wear your seatbelt. So how much does that out-of-state traffic change the dynamic here on Lowcountry roads?
Well, you know, we love tourists, right? They're big for our economy. We love it. We're glad they're here. However, we have an issue that a lot of them don't know where they're going. They don't know how to handle that merge at the top of the Don Holt.
That one's rough, yeah.
And so just little things. So you're just adding that on top of already heavy traffic burden that we have. It just really kind of adds to it. So just be cognizant out there and aware of that. And, you know, out of state has some other issues that could cause problems too. Yeah,
so if a local driver gets hit by a tourist, what's the reality of dealing with an out-of-state insurance company?
Yeah, a lot of people know this. There are a lot of states that don't have the same limits that we have on our insurance policies here. For example, Florida has much lower limits, Louisiana has lower limits, some of the states in the Northeast have lower limits. And so what that means is there's not as much money for you to go get if you've been injured or hit in the accident. On top of that, you're dealing with out-of-state adjusters, out-of-state lawyers, a lot of out-of-state issues that, you know, they still have the same goal of dragging their feet and paying you less, but they're just more complicated, so they have more tools up their sleeve.
Okay, so this can complicate things for Lowcountry families.
Very much, very much. And so if you're in an accident with an out-of-state driver, you know, obviously first thing you do is make sure you're okay, then give us a call and we can help guide you through it.
Awesome. All right, we have something else to talk about that isn't about traffic accidents. We have a special guest we wanted to invite on this show this morning. Who is this?
This is Ford. And he is the famous Lucy's little brother.
The famous Lucy. We love her.
And we're just really excited because, as you know, it starts, we've been doing it with Weasel and with Y, but now it's going to start with Live 5, the pledge every morning. And this is one of the voices who says the pledge every morning.
What?
So
you're famous too.
Very excited.
Yeah, what was that like?
It's fun.
It's fun? So you know the pledge by heart?
Yeah. I don't know. I was saying, can you do that?
Maybe not the national anthem yet, but he can do the pledge. He's proud of it, and we're just proud of him because, you know, he wanted to do it. I said, normally Lucy was just going to do it, and he jumped on and said, no, Dad, I want to do it. And so we have both him and Lucy saying the pledge in the morning. So if you're up at 5 a.m., you can catch it live.
But she has a dance thing.
Yeah, so she's not here today to promote it, which shout out, good luck to Lucy. She's trying out for Tapio for company, so shout out to Lucy. We're very proud of her, right?
Shout out. I love that. I mean, this must mean so much to you because we know you love this country so much. So this is amazing that your son gets to be a part of this.
Yeah, very excited about it. And a fun fact about the Pledge of Allegiance. You ready for this?
Okay.
Why do you think the pledge started?
I don't know, but it seems like he knows.
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know. The Pledge of Allegiance, that's good. At least you don't know. Say when you don't know, you admit it. I appreciate that.
Honesty.
The Pledge of Allegiance actually started in 1892 as a reason, most American thing ever, as a reason to sell flags to public schools.
Really?
Yeah. It was done under the guise of we're going to celebrate the 400th year of Christopher Columbus, but the real goal was to sell flags. And public schools jumped on it, took it. It's great. We love it because liberty and justice for all is a phenomenal concept that we all should be very proud of. But the sheer fact that the pledge was written with the guise of selling flags just kind of makes it more like America, right?
I love it. I love it. Okay, now you learned a new fun fact. So you can tell all your friends. Are you ready for summer, by the way?
Yes, ma'am.
You're excited, and you're going into first grade next year.
Yes,
and you can tell all your friends that now you're on TV all the time right here on Live 5. How cool is that?
My friends already know that.
They already know? You've been
know
telling
that.
them all. Your
Oh,
teachers
yeah.
know, I'm sure. That's awesome. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy summer. Would you like to toss it over to Matt for the weather? Do you want to say, Matt, what's going on with the weather?
Matt, what's going on to the weather?